24 years ago today that one of the most destructive storms in New England history made landfall, the hurricane of 1938.
Those images are just incredible. Here in Rhode Island, winds of more than 120 miles an hour caused a 12 to 15-foot storm surge in Narragansett Bay. Those waters surged into Providence Harbor, submerging the city under 13 feet of water.
In total, more than 600 people were killed, thousands of homes and buildings destroyed. It was the last Category 3 hurricane to hit Rhode Island.
Obviously, a much quieter day today as we turn to your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
That's right, Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca in the Weather Center, and we are still keeping an eye on a hurricane, although not nearly as destructive.
Yeah, Fiona will stay offshore, and you think about the weather technology in 1938, which was obviously very little, and that storm, really coming as a total surprise. I mean, back when in 1938 on the 21st, it started off calm and quiet in the morning. People not knowing that storm was arriving during the afternoon. It is calm in New Bedford right now. Extra clouds in southeastern Mass. Here in Rhode Island, the sun's been coming out. Take a peek outside. Overall, it's looking okay. And here in New Bedford, these clouds will be breaking shortly. It's cool and quiet. We've got temperatures that are in the upper 60s. And we will talk, obviously, about Hurricane Fiona in just a second. Partly sunny in Rhode Island, out towards Connecticut, and some heavier clouds out across eastern Massachusetts. Most areas now are in the upper 60s. So our next weather maker is actually a strong cold front. And when we say strong, the air behind it is actually a little chilly. Real big drop in temperature by Thursday night and especially on Friday. The front will bring some showers, a few downpours, and even a few thunderstorms both morning and afternoon. Hurricane Fiona continues out in the Atlantic. It'll stay offshore, but it will bring high surf and rip currents starting later tomorrow into Friday and potentially into Saturday morning as well. Calendar version of autumn officially arrives on Thursday evening. So the storm stays offshore, but the wave energy approaches our coastline Thursday and Friday, increasing surf, dangerous rip currents, swells offshore. So be mindful of that. There's the storm. Here's Florida, East Coast, and New England. Now a Category 4 hurricane. You can see a well-defined eye. There's the center of the storm right now. Get a close-up look. Satellite photo looks very impressive. You can see the eye as it tracks to the north at about 8 miles per hour. The wind's now up to 130. It makes it a Category 4 hurricane. The track stays well offshore of the eastern seaboard. Here it is, well south and east of New England by Friday evening, but close enough to be throwing back some waves and some surf. It becomes a real significant concern for Halifax, Nova Scotia, looking at Newfoundland, the Canadian Maritimes over the weekend as a dangerous storm approaches that area on Saturday. As far as the wave height forecast, and you can see this yellow area, these swells propagating from the storm towards our coastline both late Thursday and into Friday. So high surf advisory for both Thursday and Friday, along with some dangerous rip currents. We're getting real close, and it's fairly quiet across New England. The strong cold front that's headed our way for tomorrow across the Great Lakes and out towards near upstate New York and Buffalo. This tracks to the east as it approaches. Showers, thunderstorms, even some downpours potentially both morning and into the afternoon hours. We get a close-up look at this, and you can see we're quiet overnight. Here we are tomorrow morning at around 8 a.m. You see some showers and thunderstorms. This is 9 o'clock in the morning. The front approaching in the afternoon with more showers, a few downpours through at least 5 o'clock in the evening for the evening commute, and then the whole thing sweeps offshore by tomorrow night. So for tomorrow morning and during the afternoon, certainly grab the umbrella. Be mindful of perhaps some reduced travel speeds and some of these showers and some downpours that come through. An embedded thunderstorm as well for Thursday afternoon. 7-day forecast, blustery, cooler on Friday with partly sunny skies, a real feel of autumn. It's pretty chilly Saturday morning. Warms up in the afternoon, and Sunday is a bit milder, partly sunny, and a temperature at 73.
All right, Tony, thanks. Still ahead on 12 News at 4.